So let's go further down into the application status and go to the application status pane, and you would see that on this page you have two tabs. One says the availability stats, which are 99% available, and the performance, which is 91%, and the average response time of your complete application is 3.36 seconds. Now, this is giving you an overview of how your application is it available over a period of time or not. On the left-hand side, you would see all the transactions which are the critical transactions which are part of your applications, which you are monitoring. As you can see here, this data is captured this data shown here is between 9:12 p.m. to 9 a.m. because I have selected a 12-hour period, and you can just select days. It would show up your 24 hours of data. You can select a week, month, and then you can also customize it as per your requirement. So as we were looking into the 12 hours data, it shows that most of the transactions here on top are available 100%, but we are having problems with the order checkbook transactions. So you can further, within a few clicks, go and check why this application is not available and what are the locations which are affected. There is one more area which I would show you where you can see how the locations are performing, but this area will give you the error code or the error end user might be looking at when they try to access this application or when they try to access this particular transaction. So it says they got the HTTP status code 404 error when they try to run this transaction. And the location which is affected is Atlanta and Boston and Amsterdam. So all these three locations are having similar kind of problems. Now, if you have enabled the snapshot capture feature while recording your script, you can also see the snapshot of the exact thing, the exact error the users might be looking at in their browsers while they access this application. But right now, the snapshot is not enabled for this transaction. And on the same pane, you can also switch to a different transaction if you want to see the performance of a different other transaction. So as we saw in the graph, most of the other transactions are performing well, so we do not have any problems here.